Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we are taking a Can-Am out to the swamp. The other day I was thinking, man, when's the last time we've been to the swamp? It's been a couple weeks, ain't it? No, it's been a couple months we've been. Like the Honda been down for 3 months, I think now. And we took the Honda, and that was a while before so it's been a long time. I couldn't believe how long it's been since we went in here. But the wind's blowing a $190. I don't know if y'all can see that, how well y'all can see it. The wind is blowing hard. So anyways, I'm gonna slap on the GoPro, and you know, I think I'll just wait till we get to the woods, so that way we're not getting hit by this crazy wind. And we got waders on because it's just a little chilly. So I will catch y'all there.
One eternity later.
We are here, and I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, look at that wind. In case y'all wonder what I meant by the wind is blowing, like it is horrible. And of course the GoPro is going to be a little bit. Look at this tree. This tree is laying inside another tree. So we have had not one, not two, but 3 really bad hurricane/windstorms since the last time we've been here. So hopefully there ain't that many trees in here. And sorry if I'm a little, my voice is a little gone today. I've had a cold for like 2 days. My kids have strep throat. It's been a bad week for me. So my voice is going to be a little in and out because of the way my throat. But you know what? We're going to have some fun today, boys. So let me slap the GoPro on, and I will catch y'all in here. So let's see what we got. And hope we don't get stuck. That hole's getting kind of thick again. You can tell we ain't been back here in a while. It's starting to grow up again. Last time I went through here, I actually ended up ripping the 4-wheel drive harness out, and we couldn't get the 4-wheel drive to come on. Let's hope that don't happen again. Some of them are coming through here. Oh crap. Excuse me, little fishies. It does look like there might be a tree. Yeah, there's another tree down. Dang it. We can go around. I think we can go through it. Let's see what we got. Oh. Oh shit! What was I thinking here? Oh crap! Two seconds in, I've already almost got stuck, and I've got the Can-Am on the side. What kind of day is this? I don't know what I was thinking when I went down this hill. I said, this is a steep hill, I thought. And it is a steep hill. I guess we can just hit the gas and hope for the best. Oh, come on. Oh, over there you never even spin tiles on, and right now we just about got stuck in that. So that means this spot right here is gonna be terrible. But hey, we are gonna send it and hope for the best. If we get stuck, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know who to call. It's definitely not the Ghostbusters. Come on, baby. We got this. They're not having a winch is really what's getting me right now. Anyways, that's the war spot right there. We see that between that place and there. So let's hope we got the best. So we're just gonna send it and pray for the best. just had a bad week. I've been sick, Landon been sick, my wife has some issues. So it has not been a good week for me. So this mud is really making me just happy. I gotta clean that stick up. Same thing. Oh my gosh, I am soaking wet. You know, it ain't but like 45 degrees out here, so you know it's nice and warm. Try not to full send it too much because my camera just gets covered in mud immediately and it makes it hard to, you know, record, see, so y'all can see. Hopefully it's not as bad as I think it is. I mean, I know my glasses right now, I can't see crap out of them. I'm definitely not taking them off because if you've been here a while, you know I lost my glasses in here last time we were here. Does high, does low. I always make sure it engages before we send it. I see too many people, they'll put it and they think they're in low or high and then they'll floor it and they'll go, and break everything. Remember, give it a little tap, make sure it moves, then you know you're in gear. I also want to go ahead and give a shout out to Kyle Cullen, I guess his name is. You know who he is, way bigger than me. He is the only YouTuber who would answer me when I was trying to figure out who has a mic. I haven't bought a mic yet because I haven't had time to go ahead and order it because I've been ordering all the other parts for my 6x6 build, but he's the only one who would tell me what mic he was using for his GoPro. So I definitely got to get one, but you would have to have a helmet, and I don't have a helmet, so I'm just waiting to go ahead and order a helmet in a couple months when I go to Busco, and then go ahead and order the mic because I want to get this audio better, which doesn't help today because I don't have a voice. It's coming and going. But I gotta say, thank you, Kyle, buddy. You my new best friend. We also have our first viral video. We've hit 100 and some thousand views on it, and I am so happy with that. Of course, it is a short, so we're not getting a lot of revenue off of it, but I don't care. I am happy, and for the 300 subscribers, I think it is from it. Welcome, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I know I don't have the best voice, so I can't really talk today, but I am trying my best. Let's send it one more time through here, and then let's go over there and let's go through some woods. We haven't did no woods exploring in a very long time. Let's go exploring. We haven't been exploring in I don't know how long. I miss those days. I've been trying to do more mud content because people just said they wanted more mud content, but I think it's time to go do a little exploring, not too much because it is still hunting season. This is lunchtime right now where everybody went to get lunch, so I'm trying to like give everybody respect and not be out here when they come back. I gotta clean this up and then we can full send it all the way down. But I'm never up here with my side-by-side because I don't like bringing my side-by-side because I just don't enjoy side-by-side mud. I like a four-wheeler, I really do, and I love just getting dirty and muddy. So we're gonna send it and then we're gonna go explore the woods, see what we can find. Let's have some fun, people. Let's not just do the mud today. I hope y'all enjoy this video so far. I know I don't have, like I said a couple of seconds ago, I know I don't have a voice. I'm trying my best to do what I can, but I am not missing a video. I will not miss a video. Every Sunday there will be a video, even if I'm sick. Ready, set, go! Holy moly, that was intense. Well, my pants will be dry if nothing else is. Let's clean this camera off one more time. I hope y'all have been able to see something. I don't know. That's the problem with a GoPro. You really don't know what's going on. A piece of mud could hit it immediately and I wouldn't know it. Okay, let's cut four-wheel drive off. That way we don't break our axle immediately. Let's go exploring! And immediately we come to a stump. I bet this hole will be fun. Oh, no. That's what broke. That's what broke my wires last time. Come on. No. These stupid roots every time.
A few moments later.
Well, it sounds like my wife just called me and she told me that they are having some short staff at this little fundraiser. So I guess we'll do a little exploring. We don't. I guess we don't have that much exploring we can do. I gotta be home in the next hour, so let's have a little bit of fun. But sadly, I'll have to be going home soon. I used to love doing this with my old Grizzly. Problem with this Can-Am is, one, it don't shift fast enough, and the gauge's messed up, so I can't see the number. And two, it has way too much power. It's good to have power, but bouncing through the woods like this, you end up like, you know, running out of spots to go. Go down. Haha, we broke it. Oh crap. Get off me. I don't think I've really ever been on this side much. I've been here a little bit. Oh crap. Oh, that would hurt. What is that? Oh, that's the old graveyard. I forgot about that. I totally forgot of the old graveyard in these woods. Look at that. I wonder how old it is. I've never really walked over here because I've always been a little scared because, you know, graveyards. What is it? 1922. Oh, wow, that's old. She was too good and gentle to dwell in this cold world. That's kind of morbid. Oh crap, I did not realize that. I'm sorry, I did not mean to stand in the grave. Most of them are missing though. What about this one? Does this one have anything on it? No, it's mostly gone. Oh, it's over here. A tree fell on it. William W. Kemp, I think. They didn't die. Or they didn't have a death date. I know a couple more in here. There used to be a rebel flag over here, which is funny because I can't get my American flag to last like 5 minutes, and this rebel flag lasted who knows how long. I don't know how long it's been since somebody's been over here. So I guess we'll just slowly start heading out because my wife she has a lot of stuff to do apparently. She called me and said they're having some issues with the fundraiser, so we got to get out of here. And I decided to go through the woods, so this is going to be fun trying to find my way out. Is the camera clean? Camera's clean. So let's slowly get out of this place. Whew. Okay, which way? I guess we'll go straight still. Still a lot, good. I used to have really good paths going through here, but over time these trees keep falling and making it harder and harder to go through here. I have no idea why. Oh, I'm supposed to go over there. That tree fell. I'm about to say, where am I at? I am so lost. I'm really gonna have to come back here and clean this up. Let me know in the comments if y'all want us to do a video where we clean all these woods back up. But there used to be some amazing paths I had going through here. But when everybody quit riding with me, I didn't keep them up as well as I should have. And now they grow up with grass. I can't even see where I'm going. There it is, right here. I can kind of see. You can kind of see where I was going, right here. Whoa! Too much. Oh! Why are these trees trying to kill me? Wait a second. I was supposed to come out over there, not over here. Hey, it works. Full drive and in low. We don't want to hit them roots. It is so cold right now, and I ain't even left the woods yet. I can only imagine how cold it's gonna get once I get out of these woods. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna drop you in a little montage to get home. I think it'd be fun. It's cold! So I didn't do an outro in the woods, so I'm out here behind my truck trying to hide from this wind. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I've lost my voice. I couldn't really talk that much. And sadly, Jonna has to go somewhere, so I had to hurry up and come home, even though I had a couple spots I wanted to go. And test the full out. One day we're going to go in these woods because there are some holes in there that will stop any foiler. But I guess today wasn't the day, which honestly I didn't have a winch, so it wasn't the best idea. I just kind of wanted to. I thought I had time. But anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button. We need more subscribers. And hit the like button if you like. If you don't like it, don't hit the like button. I understand. I'm not forcing you to do anything. And leave a comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. I haven't watched this video. I watched a little of it, and it looked like my camera might have been a little too low, so it showed a little, it's not the best or the worst. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you come back next time. Well, I have something planned for next time. I will see y'all then.